And it's time for my secret collagen recipe. We only start with the best cuts of turkey. Give it a taste. You never know. Make sure it's okay. Yeah, it tastes okay. Toss her in there. Whatever you find, toss it in. Add the water. Lots of water. Fill the pressure cooker right to the top line. Throw in some carrots. Whatever vegetables are left in the fridge. Here we've got some onion that we're finally chopping. In it goes. Now it's spicy time. I think that's dill. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And we got some chili powder. We got cloves. Distracted by TV. We got some turmeric. Yeah, in goes that. Make sure it's exact measurements. Cayenne pepper. We like a little bit of a spice to this. And of course, lots of salt. And we'll give it a little stab and stir with the knife. A little bit more stabby stirry. Lock it down. Set it to 120 minutes. We're going to do 2 rounds of this 120 minutes. You'll know when it's ready when the bones snap in half like that so easily. Jar it up. Toss her in the fridge overnight. And make sure it doesn't fall out. And it should look like this nice gelatin mess right here. Oh, yeah. If it pours out like this, you know you've got a good collagen. It's got the glycine, glycerine, all the goodness in there. We're going to toss that in the microwave, warm it up for about 30 seconds. Out it comes, and enjoy.